What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Ask a CISSP. My name is Ryan Williams, and I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I apologize. I'm on vacation. The vacation's almost over, so I'm going to shave this beard off. But super excited to get back to the videos. Plenty of time to unwind and recharge. So this video, I wanted to speak about renewing your Security Plus, Net Plus, A Plus, any of those what some will call lower tier cybersecurity certs, which I don't believe are lower tier. They are gateways, right? I'd rather say gateway or entry level than anything else. So as the title suggests, I have my CISSP. I also have a master's in cybersecurity and information assurance, right? So when I'm applying for jobs in the near future, I don't necessarily use those entry-level certifications. I kind of put my best foot forward, my CEH, like I said, my CISSP, CCNA, things of that nature. However, I was on the fence about renewing my Security Plus and Net Plus. I've had them since 2010. You have to renew them every 3 years, pay the fee. So my employer only pays for the highest applicable cert. So that would be the CISSP. So my Security Plus, Net Plus were coming up, due in September. And I was on the fence. I was like, I might just let it lapse. I'm not going to use it. It's not a lot of money, but $150 for something you're not going to use. I could use that for something better, right? I could take my CHFI or something like that with that money. So I was debating, and then I had an interview for a teaching position. I made it through the interview, my very first interview in 18 years. It was a pretty good experience. And then when it came to my portion to ask questions, as these things often unwind, I basically asked, what made me a good candidate? Why did you seek me for this position? To which, to my surprise, it wasn't necessarily because of my master's and my higher level certifications. It was those, but also more importantly, it was my Security Plus, my Net Plus, and my CEH. So, I was not shocked, but, curious. I was like, oh, well, why specifically those certifications? To which the interviewer said, well, our instructors who teach the equivalent classes academically for Security Plus, Net Plus, and CEH must have current certification in those to even access the materials. So in order for me to pull the test materials and then to teach the 3-credit, roughly 8-week classes, I have to be certified in them. Had no clue. It wasn't in the job ad. It was more of the academic needing your master's and applicable experience, which I have plenty of, right? So you never know. I'm so glad that I kept it. I actually renewed it myself out of pocket. Maybe they'll reimburse me. I don't know. Closed mouth don't get fed, right? But I say that to say, consider keeping your entry-level certifications. So in my case, I did not know I would need them. I did not know they would come in handy for my adjunct position. However, they definitely did. That was what got my foot in the door, because a lot of people do have their higher level certifications and experience just like me, but then they can't teach those classes because they're no longer certified in those entry-level certifications. So food for thought. Very short video. Again, I'm on vacation. I'm about to get back to it, but I just want to put it out there in case you're about to expire, or in case you're on the fence, or in case you have an employer that will pay for them. Definitely re-up. Keep them if you feel as though you may want to teach a boot camp or teach a collegiate course in the future, because they will come in handy. So that's all I got for today. Please continue to send me your questions. Please continue to reach out to me on all the social medias. I'm on Clubhouse, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Most importantly, send your questions, and we'll put this up for everybody to see on YouTube, Facebook, and what's the other one? YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. There you go. Again, LinkedIn gives me the most connections, and also gets my message out there. So please like, share, subscribe. If you want to listen to it on audio, if you want to watch the videos, you want to see this glorious beard that I will soon be shaving off, please do that as well. But most importantly, please share, because again, this platform is for those people of color who are seeking cybersecurity knowledge and information, and trying to find people to be support to get them through, or people who are trying to elevate their skills and go up, or people who want to mentor, things of that nature. You don't have to be a person of color to watch these videos, of course. However, the platform is for those movers and shakers and glass ceiling breakers, those people of color who made it to the other side of the proverbial firewall to share their knowledge and experience. Just so we can continue to grow our base. Again, we're only like 7% of all IT and cybersecurity. Let's make it 17%, 27%. 77%. Let's take it over. But with that being said, thank you again for your viewerage, if that's a word, and continue to stay posted. Peace.